Is the dreaded no delivery available message on your Shopify store costing you sales and frustrating your customers? We'll show you how to fix it. First, navigate to Settings in your Shopify admin panel. This is where the magic begins. Now, click on Shipping and Delivery. This is where you will diagnose the cause and begin fixing it. Let's start with shipping zones. Improperly configured zones are a primary culprit. Select the Manage option and ensure that you have shipping zones set up for the regions where your customers are located. To create a zone, click Create Shipping Zone, give it a name like United States, and select the relevant countries and regions. Within each zone, you need to set up shipping rates. Click Add Rate and choose between options like free shipping, flat rate, or even carrier calculated rates. Next, let's look at product weights and dimensions. Inaccurate information here can throw off shipping calculations. Ensure accurate product information on each product. If you are using carrier calculated rates, make sure your carrier accounts are properly connected. Head to the Carrier Accounts section and connect your accounts. Avoid common mistakes like accidentally setting extremely high shipping rates or forgetting to include a specific region in your shipping zones. By following these steps, you can eliminate the no delivery available error, improve customer satisfaction, and boost your conversion rates.